Welcome to the tour of my helicopter. I made 12 helicopters. This is it. So, here we are. 12 helicopters ever built. The biggest project in history. I made 12 helicopters. So, here we are. So, let's get ready. Take a tour of each helicopter. This is it. 12 helicopters. This is a 212 UH-1 Huey 412. Those are the helicopters. A 4-blade main rotor and a 2-blade. That's how they look. They are different from each other. The engine. So this is a Huey and the 212 helicopter. On the right is the 412, a 4-blade main rotor. This is one of the helicopters that can carry passengers. Up to 13 passengers. Military, police, civilian, fire, ambulance, medical, and more. This is the military or civilian. This is the company that makes the 4-blade and the 2-blade helicopter is Bell Helicopter. This is like the one in GTA 3, the police helicopter. You can barely fly it because it's only for chasing the player at a 3-star wanted level. This is it. All 12 helicopters in a row. Oh yeah, I built them all by myself. There, here we are. 4-blade and a 2-blade main rotor. That's what the difference of the helicopter. It has the blades. It's a Huey helicopter.